The Grizzlies taking on the Pelicans, and Anthony Davis with 36 points in this one. There goes the lob to get things started over Conley. He was styling on him with that one. Davis gonna get in the lane, throw up the hook. Now, even though the Pelicans, they're out of the playoff hunt right now, there's still plenty of season left. And what is that? He just did a Shammgod and dunked it. Oh my goodness. Anthony Davis with the cheese. Marc Gasol slashing from the three-point line. These bigs are revolving. This is crazy. Conley nearly turns it over, gets it back, hits the corner for the splash. Now it's time for that dunk fest, that dunk contest. Anthony Davis gets us started with a thunderous slam cutting down the lane, and then off the steal, Davis in transition, he's gonna get another dunk. Pelicans in the lead, another fast break behind the back. Julius Randle throws one down. Then they're surrounded, they give it up, and Davis pounds it in there again. Noah trying desperately, but that's just not enough. That's not gonna stop Davis. Drew Holiday gets in the lane, throws up a floater type shot. That drops. Pelicans in the driver's seat in the clutch, and they're gonna hold on for the win as Davis slashes again. And one. Grizzlies in a drought offensively to end this one. Another slam for Davis. Look at this, the first play of the game. Oh, it's a lob. Oh, it went off the glass. I heard it hit the glass.
Is this a fake video?
Ben Simmons off the corner of the backboard. Who does that? He's a savage. It's right on the money. That is funny.